Today, we're not going to do an accuracy on my 20-inch AR build. I fired my first 30 shots for you yesterday on camera. Fired 30 more after that. Now we're going to see how accurate my sights are and how much I'm going to trigger. Let's see. We'll definitely start with the paper target first. Start close, work our way out. Send a mass. Alright, let's check it out. We went 3 for center mass and 2 for the head. Low. There's going to be some work being done on these sights. Where's my Sharpie? There we go. 1, 2. I'm sorry, folks. That was 6 shots we took. Alright, I'll try from the same spot. Make sure it is the sights and not me being terrible. Alright. Let's see. I will do 4. We'll do 2 and 2. Do 2 in the head. And we'll do 2. Alright. Yeah. Here we go. A little bit of second time around. Let's go back a little farther. 30 round magazine, Magpul. 70 shots fired on this new rifle build of mine. Alright. We'll do 5. 3 to the chest, 2 to the head. Chest first. Alright. Yep. Let's see. Here's another one. There's 2. There's 3. 1 here. And another one there. Yep, probably gonna have to work on the front post first. Let's continue on anyway. Today is July 9th in beautiful New York State. I guess we'll call it about the 30. Alright. 3 to the chest, 2 to the head. Alright, let's go for 2 to the head. While we're here, I think we're further back enough. We'll try the steel plate. Okay, that's so good. There's one. There's two. One out here. One over here. And there's a third one there. Alright. Let's go back to the 50. We'll do 5 of the chest. Alright, do that one. Shot number 4. And shot number 5. All right. Let's go check her out. Wondering if I'm going to put any accessories on my rifle. The only thing I plan to put on it is a sling. Don't know which one yet. Oh God, yep. This is god awful. Yeah, that's one there. There's another one here. That's terrible. Yep, I'm going to work on both windage and elevation with this thing. Well, folks, that's it for now. Your loved ones, no one else will do it for you, folks. We'll see you next video. I'm going to work on these sights and we'll do another accuracy video later. Talk to you later, everyone.